All right, let's talk about installing tri-funnels and how to get funnels into your store and all that fancy stuff, right? So essentially right over here is when you're inside of tri-funnels, you're gonna click add shop, and all you really need to do is just grab this, okay? Just your store name, okay? So click okay, it's gonna link up, yada yada, install uninstalled app, and now we are here, and now tri-funnels is installed. So really quickly, just to kind of show you how this works, let me just add a product really quick. So cat socks 1, and then we're gonna put this at $9.99. We're gonna leave this product requires shipping. Nope. Okay, let me just add an image really quick. Cat socks 1. All right, click save. And then right over here, let me just quickly do this. Let me just go, and I could have duplicated it actually. All right, cat socks 2, image, price $19.99, no tax, no shipping. Click save, and then I'm going to duplicate this really quick. All right, cat socks 3. All right. All right. Here we go. Cat socks 3. Okay, so then I'm going to put this one as a lower product, 8 or $4.99 for example. Okay, just to show you how this funnel works. So again, you have all your products in here, everything's set up. Now what I'm going to do is just go to try funnels really quick, and I'm going to start a new funnel. And I'm going to cat socks example, and I will be deleting this from here. I'm just throwing this on here really quick. We're going to start off with the $9.99. All right, so we're going to call this cat socks. Let's go. I'm going to click edit, and this is how simple it is to actually go out there and create a funnel. Okay, so we have $9.99 over here, and if they say yes, we're going to upsell them to another cat item, and if they say yes here, we're going to take them right to checkout. Okay, all right, and if they say no, we're going to take them to a lower option of this, but if they say yes to this, we're still going to take them back to our $19.99, and then we're going to go to checkout yet again, just to kind of show you how easy this is to go out there and kind of have your products laid out. Now if they say no over here, we can still take them to the checkout. However, if they say no over here, what we're going to do is we're actually going to send them to the home page because they said no a few times. And if they say yes over here, checkout. But if they say no again, they say yes over here. If they say no again, still takes them to the checkout. Click save funnel. Now really quickly, if I want to edit all the pages, I just have to go ahead and simply do this. It's actually fairly simple on editing the pages. So hey, thanks for coming by. All right, and again, I have a lot of options as well. If I have variants, I can add quantity, product variants. If there's variants, product compare price, and again, if I had a product compare price. So I'm gonna click save changes, close editor, and all of this dynamically updates. So if I go to products really quickly, let me just show you this really quick. I'm gonna click preview funnel, and you're gonna see that there's no price comparison, right? Now, if I go to cat socks 1, all right, at $9.99, and then I had a compare at price $19.95, I'm gonna click save. All right, now it might take a second to refresh inside of tri-funnels because it links up with the products. So there it is, $19.95. So it automatically dynamically updated itself. So let's just say we decide to go and say no thanks to the $9.99. Okay, so we're gonna say no thanks to $9.99, and then it's gonna take us to the $4.99 offer, which if we say yes, it'll take us back to the $19.99. So we're gonna say yes. All right, it'll take us back to $19.99. If we say yes again, it'll take us right to our cart where they can go ahead and input their checkout information or their personal information to check out. And that's literally all you have to do. That's literally all it requires you to do when you're actually using tri-funnels. Now again, because I'm going to start building this out, I need to make sure these products aren't here. Okay, so in case you're wondering if why the heck these products aren't in tri-funnels and you're trying to go look at them, it's because of the fact that I personally cannot have, whoops, there we go. Yes, delete this funnel. I personally cannot have those products there because of how we're building out this brand. But that's how tri-funnels works, okay? And that's literally all it is. Okay, it's very, very simple, very customizable, very easy for you to use as well. And I definitely suggest you use TriFunnels. And now I'm going to explain a little bit more as to kind of structuring and laying out your funnels and what I recommend. I'm going to give you my best recommendation for you to go out there and follow. However, I do suggest you go out there and experiment as well and figure out what works for you because it's very, very powerful.